What's up, guys? Welcome back to all of you that are returning, and welcome to all of you that are new here. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing some laundry. As you can see, today is a very pretty day outside. I'm going to take advantage of it. So I decided to, get the laundry done today because, I do hang them out on the line. So what I'm going to do first is start by separating everything. And I'm going to wash the jeans and bottoms and stuff first because they are thicker, so they take longer to dry. So I want to go ahead and get those out while it's still early out because it does take them a little longer, like I said. So yeah, guys, I hope this video give you some motivation to get some laundry done because I know some people, they just don't find laundry to be a pleasant thing to do. So I hope that I can motivate you all to get it done. And I hope you enjoy this video. So guys, let me play in the background or whatever, and let's get it done together, guys. So the laundry detergent that I'm going to be using today is the Purex. I think it's the natural one. It has a really nice smell to it. I think I had this one before. I don't quite remember, but it has a real nice smell. So now what you see me doing is taking that load out. I'm about to go out and hang those up. But before I do that, I always like to put in another load before I go out so that it can be washing while I'm hanging those out. Now, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and throw a couple of pieces across my shoulder here. This is more convenient for me, so I don't have to keep walking back and forth to the basket. And I'm going to go ahead and put my clothespins on the bottom of my shirt. I find that to be easier as well. So I need to start wearing my apron more. That way I have to stick them on my shirt like this. I can just drop them in the pockets of my apron. But most of the time I just don't even feel like being bothered with it.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby.
So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some motivation to get some laundry done or some cleaning done around the house. I want to thank you so much for watching. And if you like this type of content, I want to see more of my content, hit that subscribe button and leave me a thumbs up. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
Don't leave me here high and dry.